Business ideas that run themselves. Business ideas that practically run themselves are becoming increasingly popular in today's fast-paced world. Entrepreneurs are seeking innovative solutions that require minimal effort to maintain while still generating a significant income. Automated and passive income streams have become increasingly attractive business models. By leveraging technology and creative strategies, many are successfully building sustainable businesses with little hands-on involvement. Let's discuss it. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Vending machines. Vending machines present a unique business opportunity as they offer a level of freedom rarely seen in other industries. Acting as miniature storefronts, these machines have the potential to generate sustainable revenue while requiring minimal maintenance and oversight. This concept has seen success across various markets, thereby solidifying its position as a versatile and attractive business idea. With advancements in technology and increased consumer demands for convenience, vending machines continue to evolve, presenting even more potential for entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on the self-run business model. Number 2. ATM. An automated teller machine, better known as an ATM, has evolved into an indispensable part of our daily lives, providing convenient access to financial services. In the modern business landscape, an ATM can be considered a lucrative business idea that essentially runs itself. This innovative concept not only serves consumer needs but also presents an attractive opportunity for entrepreneurs to expand their financial horizons. Number 3. AIRBNB. The sharing economy has taken the world by storm, with platforms such as Airbnb spearheading this innovative trend. For homeowners and property investors alike, listing space on Airbnb has emerged as a profitable business idea that virtually runs itself once set up properly. This model capitalizes on underutilized living spaces, transforming them into lucrative short-term rental opportunities for travelers or temporary residents. Number 4. Laundromat business idea. With the right location and management, a laundromat can become a highly profitable venture. Convenience is of utmost importance to consumers, making self-service laundry facilities an attractive option. By understanding the operational requirements and developing a comprehensive business plan, one can seize the potential for steady income and long-term success with a laundromat investment. Number 5. Automated car wash. Automated car washes have rapidly gained popularity as a business idea that essentially runs itself. By minimizing the need for manual labor and streamlining the car wash process, these establishments offer a convenient and efficient service for customers. The increased demand for quick and hassle-free car washing experiences is driving the growth of this industry. Furthermore, the adoption of cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly practices has made automated car washes an attractive business opportunity for entrepreneurs. Number 6. Virtual tutoring and education courses. As more people turn to online learning for acquiring new skills and knowledge, this industry continues to witness significant growth. Utilizing cutting-edge technology, virtual tutoring platforms can provide personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs. Virtual tutoring can save time and resources, bridging geographical boundaries to connect educators with learners from different parts of the world. Number 7. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an innovative business model that essentially runs itself. By eliminating the need to store inventory, business owners can focus more on marketing their products and improving customer service. This method also allows for scalability, as entrepreneurs can easily expand their product offerings without the need for additional storage space. The ease and efficiency of dropshipping makes it an attractive option for both budding and seasoned entrepreneurs alike. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 8. Dividend investing. This strategy involves purchasing stocks from companies with a history of reliable dividend payouts, allowing investors to consistently generate passive income. As the market evolves, so do the opportunities for investors to diversify their portfolios and maximize long-term returns. By carefully selecting well-performing stocks and reinvesting dividends, you can take advantage of this hands-off approach to gradually grow your wealth. Number 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another business idea that can essentially run itself with minimal oversight. By promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission from each sale made through your unique referral links, you can generate consistent streams of revenue. This marketing model allows entrepreneurs to create a vast array of affiliate relationships, tapping into new markets and opportunities. By implementing strategic marketing efforts and optimizing your online presence, you can capitalize on the potential of affiliate marketing while establishing a sustainable, passive income source. Number 10. Rental property. As a property owner, you provide tenants with a place to call home, while they in turn ensure a steady flow of passive income for you. With a well-maintained property and reliable renters, it's possible to generate significant returns on your investment. Additionally, as real estate values appreciate over time, the potential for even greater financial rewards in the long run makes rental property ownership an attractive opportunity for many aspiring entrepreneurs. Number 11. Online courses. As more people seek to improve their skills and knowledge in various fields, the demand for quality educational content continues to grow. By leveraging the power of the internet and digital platforms, entrepreneurs have the opportunity to create and market their courses to a global audience. In addition, the flexibility and convenience offered by online learning make it an attractive option for many learners, further boosting the appeal of this business model. Number 12. Blogs. By consistently producing engaging and informative content, businesses can attract and maintain a loyal audience that contributes to the growth of the brand. This, in turn, enables the blog to generate revenue through various methods such as advertising and banner ads. With the right strategies in place, a blog can evolve into a powerhouse that drives both traffic and profits, demonstrating its position as a viable and lucrative business model. Number 13. Virtual assistant services. Thanks to advancements in technology, these services can be efficiently provided remotely, allowing professionals to manage their tasks and appointments with ease. The versatility of virtual assistants enables them to cater to the specific needs of each client, resulting in personalized and effective solutions. With streamlined processes and a focus on customer satisfaction, the virtual assistant business is poised for success and growth in the future. Number 14. App development. With growing demand for mobile applications, this industry continues to flourish. Startups and established companies alike have begun to recognize the potential in creating innovative solutions to meet the diverse needs of consumers. Harnessing the power of app development can propel a business forward, leading to increased revenue and a competitive edge in today's digital landscape. Number 15. Online booking and reservation systems. These systems enable customers to make reservations at their convenience, thereby improving the overall client experience. Additionally, automated solutions equip companies to manage and organize bookings more effectively, leading to increased operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.